What if one television show, watched by more than 1 billion people, suddenly introduced a kung fu fighting robot on stage? That exact moment happened during the famous CCTV Spring Festival Gala in China. And when a humanoid robot from Unitree Robotics started performing martial arts with humans, the internet had one big question. Are robots finally ready to perform like us? The performance was far more than a simple robot dance. These humanoid machines appeared on stage performing Chinese martial arts movements like fast hand strikes, deep stances, and extremely precise footwork under the lights of the CCTV Spring Festival Gala. Even more impressive, the robots handled nunchaku, spinning them rapidly while maintaining perfect balance and timing. Many viewers across China were surprised by how smooth the movements looked, and at times, it became difficult to tell whether the performer was a human or a machine. One of the most fascinating moments was the coordination between humans and robots on the same stage. Unlike controlled lab environments, the gala stage was filled with bright lights, loud music, and constant movement, making balance extremely challenging for machines. Yet the robots performed inside tight choreography with dancers and acrobats, matching the rhythm almost perfectly. This was possible because of technologies like computer vision, inertial sensors, lidar scanning, and AI control systems constantly calculating the robot's center of mass. At first glance, the show looked like pure entertainment, but for engineers at Unitree Robotics, it was actually a real-world technology stress test. Television stages create unpredictable conditions with vibrations, lighting changes, and moving performers. If a robot can perform complex movements without losing stability or rhythm, it proves that its control systems and AI algorithms are reliable. That means the machine is no longer just a lab experiment, but a robot capable of working in real public environments. What makes the performance even more impressive is how quickly the technology improved. During the Beijing Spring Festival Gala 2025, robots also appeared on stage, but their movements were relatively simple. They performed synchronized steps and small dance routines, which still felt like a demonstration rather than a true performance. At that time, the robots showed potential, but their interaction with humans remained limited. Only 1 year later, the improvement became extremely noticeable. The new generation of machines moved with greater speed, smoother motion, and stronger stability. Their balance improved dramatically, and they began interacting directly with human performers on stage. Instead of acting as separate machines, the robots became part of a unified stage choreography. What once looked like a technical experiment now looks like a genuine partnership between humans and machines. The speed of this progress surprised many robotics experts around the world. When improvements happen this quickly in just 1 year, it raises a fascinating question about the future. How advanced might these humanoid robots become within the next 5 years? Before appearing on national television, the robots went through weeks of preparation and practice. Training videos released by Unitree Robotics showed how the machines were trained inside a large indoor testing hangar. The floor inside the facility was marked with a detailed grid used by position tracking systems. This grid allows robots to understand their exact position in space. Inside this training area, the machines practiced far more than simple dance moves. They rehearsed jumps, rotations, controlled landings, and fast directional changes repeatedly. Some sequences required the robots to perform multiple movements in quick succession without losing balance. To coordinate several robots at once, engineers used a system known as cluster control architecture. Instead of controlling every robot individually, each unit receives a base choreography pattern and then adjusts based on the position of nearby robots. If one robot changes timing slightly, the others automatically adapt to maintain the formation. This system prevents collisions and keeps the performance visually synchronized. As a result, the robots behave less like individual machines and more like a team of synchronized performers. The robots were not the only technological highlight during the celebrations. During the Lunar New Year festivities across China, thousands of drones filled the night sky in one of the largest coordinated aerial displays ever seen. These drones rose simultaneously and began forming giant shapes, animated patterns, and moving images high above the city. Every movement remained perfectly synchronized with music and fireworks happening below. From the perspective of viewers on the ground, the sky looked like a massive digital display made entirely of lights. But behind the beauty of the show was extremely complex engineering. Coordinating thousands of drones requires advanced navigation systems and communication networks. Each drone must know its precise location while constantly avoiding nearby units. At the same time, the machines must adjust their flight paths depending on wind speed, signal delays, and surrounding drones. A central control system supported by AI formation algorithms manages the entire swarm. The drones work together almost like a single organism, constantly adapting to maintain the formation. Drone swarm technology is gaining global attention because it can be used for much more than entertainment shows. Coordinated drones can help in search and rescue missions, quickly scanning large disaster areas and locating survivors without risking human lives. The same systems could support logistics and delivery networks across cities or help monitor forests and oceans. When thousands of drones move together with perfect coordination, it also demonstrates the power of AI-driven control systems and advanced technological capability. Another highlight of the show featured the humanoid robot Lunar L7, which performed a sword dance together with a human martial artist. The routine required extremely precise timing and balance, since even a small delay could cause a collision. Using joint sensors, inertial modules, and computer vision, the robot tracked its partner's movements in real time. AI systems then predicted the next motion, allowing the robot to react and adapt instantly instead of simply repeating pre-programmed moves. Events like the Spring Festival Gala serve a purpose beyond entertainment. They also introduce advanced technology to the public in a familiar setting. Seeing a robot working in a factory is very different from seeing a machine perform martial arts on a national stage. When audiences watch robots dance, balance, and interact with humans, the technology suddenly feels more real and accessible. It stops looking like something limited to laboratories or research centers. It begins to look like technology that could soon become part of everyday life. These demonstrations help people accept the idea of humans and robots working side by side in the future. From factories to hospitals and homes, humanoid robots may gradually become a normal part of society. So, is the future of robots already here? The performance at the CCTV Spring Festival Gala clearly demonstrated one important fact. Humanoid robotics is advancing extremely fast. Machines that once struggled to walk across a laboratory floor can now perform complex choreography on crowded stages. From martial arts robots to synchronized drone swarms, the celebration revealed how far modern technology has progressed. Of course, robots are still far from replacing humans in most roles. Many tasks still require creativity, judgment, and emotional intelligence. However, the rapid improvements in AI control systems and motion stability suggest that robots will soon take on more responsibilities in different industries. When a humanoid machine can spin nunchaku on live television without losing balance, it shows how powerful modern robotics has become. The world may have just witnessed an early glimpse of a future where robots and humans share the same stage of everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.